Good morning, students. Welcome to online class H Kandal. In the last class, we have solved some problem based on the linear equation. In today's class, let us solve some more problems. Devarshi has a total of 590 as currency notes in the denominations of rupees 50, rupees 20, rupees 10. The ratio of the number of 50 notes and 20 notes are in 3:5 ratio, or notes is 3:5. If she has a total of 25 notes, how many notes of each denomination she has? Well, Devarshi has a total of 590 as currency notes. Here Devarshi is the name of the person. He is a 590 amount. He has a 590 currency notes. His denominations are, he has 50 rupees notes, 20 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes. The ratio of the number of 50 notes and 20 notes are is 3:5. 50 notes is to 20 notes is 5:3:5. It means to say that 3x is to 5x. 3:5. The ratio 3:5. She has a total of, there are 3 denominations: 50 notes, 20 notes, 10 notes. The ratio of 50 and 20 notes is 3:5. She has a denomination of rupees 10. Denomination of rupees 10 is 25. There are how many notes? She has a total of 25 minus of 3x plus 5x. 25 minus of 3x plus 5x, 8x. This is the denomination of what? 25 minus 8x. 25 minus this total 25 notes. This is 50 notes. This is 20 notes. 50 notes is to 25 notes. Then after writing this, we have from 50 notes. How much 50 notes? 3x. 3 into 50. 53s are 150x. 3x into 50. Let the number of notes be x. 50 notes and 20 notes. 20 notes. That is equal to 5x. 5x into that is 20. 25s are 100x. 25s are 100x. Then number of 10 notes is 25 minus 8x. That is equal to 25 minus 8x. 8x into 10. That is equal to 25 minus 8 tens are 80x. This is from 50 notes. This is from 20 notes. This is from 10 notes. Total currency 150 plus 100x, 250 minus 80x. So multiply this into 10. 25 tens are 250. 250 minus 80x. 250 minus 80x. 150 plus 100, 250. 250 minus 80. 250 minus 80. 0. 15 minus 8, 7, 1. 170x plus 250 is equal to 590. 170x is equal to 590 minus 250. 590 minus 250. 0. 9 minus 5, 4. 5 minus 2, 3. We get 170x is equal to 340. X is equal to 340 divided by 170. 0, 0 cancel. 17 ones are 17 twos are. X is equal to 2. We have the currency notes. We have the currency notes. 50 notes. That is equal to 3x. 50 notes, 3x. 3 into 2. 3 twos are 650 notes. Next, 20 notes. 5x. 5 into 2. 5 twos are 10 notes. Next, 10 notes. 10 notes. 10 notes, that is 25 minus 8x. 25 minus 8 into 2. 25 minus 60, that is equal to 9 notes. Now check the answer. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 9, 25 notes. Total amount, when you check this value, 6 notes. 56 are 50 into 6, 300 rupees. 20 into 10, 200 rupees. 10 into 9, 90 rupees. Total 590 rupees. So our answer is correct. So I want to explain once again for the sake of students those who are not understand clearly. Devarshi has a, I want to say in Kannada students, Devarshiya bali 590 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹಣವಿದೆ. ಆತನ ಹತ್ತಿರ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳ ನೋಟು, 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳ ನೋಟು, 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳ ನೋಟುಗಳಿವೆ. ಆ ನೋಟುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಮತ್ತು 20 ನೋಟುಗಳ ಅನುಪಾತ 3:5 ಆದರೆ ಆತನ ಬಳಿ ಇರುವ ಒಟ್ಟು ನೋಟುಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 25 ಆದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನೋಟುಗಳ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 50 notes is to 20 notes. 3 is to 5. 3 is to 5. 3x is to 5x. Total 25 notes. Among them, 3x plus 5x. 3x plus 5x, 8x. 25 minus 8x. From 50 notes, 3 into 50. 3x into 50, 150x. 20 notes, 5x into 20, 100x. 10 notes, 25 minus 8x. 25 minus 8x. 8x into 10. 25 tens are 250. 10 8s are 80x. There is a total currency of 590, that is 150x plus 100x plus 25 tens are 250 minus 80. 150, 100, 250. 250 minus 80, 170x plus 250 is equal to 590. 170x is equal to 590 minus 250. 170x is equal to 340. X is equal to 340 by 170. 0, 0 cancel. 17 ones are 17 twos are. X is equal to 2. Therefore, 50 notes, 3x, 3 twos are 6 notes. 20 notes, 5x, 5 twos are 10 notes. 10 notes, 25 minus 8 twos are 60. 25 minus 6, 9 notes. When we verify this, we get 590. So, we have to work out this problem. These types of problem may appear for your examination. I have a denominations of rupees, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee. Denomination of 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee. The number of 2 rupee coin, the number of 2 rupee coin is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coin. 3 times the number of 5 rupee coin. 5 rupee coins. The total number of coins is 360. 160, sorry. 160. How many coins of each denomination? How many coins of each denomination? How many coins of each denominations are with me? Are with me. So I have a total of 300 coins. ನನ್ನ ಬಳಿ 300 ಕಾಯಿನ್ಗಳಿವೆ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಗಳು? 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಗಳು, 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಗಳು, 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಬಳಿ ಇರುವ 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 3ರಷ್ಟಿದೆ. ಒಟ್ಟು ಕಾಯಿನ್ಗಳು 160 ಇದ್ದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಳಿ ಇರುವ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Let the number of 5 rupee coin be x. Let the number of 5 rupee coin be x. Let the number of 2 rupee coin is equal to the number of 2 rupee coin is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coin. 5 rupee coin is x, 2 rupee coin thrice 3x. ಇದರ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾವೆ? ಅದರ 3ರಷ್ಟು 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ 3x ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ 1 rupee coin, number of 1 rupee coin total is 160 minus of x plus 3x. 5 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin, that is equal to 160 minus of 4x. Therefore total number of coins is equal to 300. X plus 3x plus 160 minus 4x. X plus 3x. Sorry. We have to write the 3 coins. Then 5 rupee coin is 5x. 5x. 5 rupee coin, number of yes, 5 rupee coin 5x. 2 rupee coin 3x, that is equal to 5 rupee coin is 3x. 2 rupee coin, this is 5 rupee coin is x into 5, that is equal to 5x. 2 rupee coin is 3x into 2 rupee, that is equal to 3 2s are 6x. 3 2s are 6x. 1 rupee coin 160 minus 4x into 1, same we do. Then 5x plus 6x plus 160 minus 4x is equal to total how many coins? 300 coins. 5x plus 6x 11x. 11x minus 4x 7x. 7x is equal to 300 plus 160, go to the side, minus 160. 7x is equal to 300 minus 160, 140. X is equal to 140 by 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are. X is equal to 20. Then 5 rupee coin 5 rupee coin is equal to 5x x 5 rupee coin x 20. 2 rupee coin 3x 3 into 20 23 are 60. 1 rupee coin 160 minus 4x 160 minus 4 into 20 160 minus 80 24 is 80 160 minus 80 80. Yes, there are 5 rupee coins of 25 rupee coin. 25 are 100 rupees. 2 rupee coin 62 are 120 rupees. 1 rupee coin 80. When we add this, we get 300 rupees. Like this, we have to verify. So problems are very easy, provided you must know some techniques how to solve the problem. I have a total of 300 coins of denomination 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin. The number of 2 rupee coin is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coin. In Kannada we say 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳ ನಾಣ್ಯ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳ ಮೂರರಷ್ಟಿದೆ. ಒಟ್ಟು ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳು 160 ಇದಾವೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಾಣ್ಯದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, let the number of 5 rupee coin be x. 2 rupee coin thrice of 5 rupee, thrice of 3 rupee 3x. 1 rupee coin total 160 coin minus x plus 3x, 3x plus 1x 4x, 160 minus 4x. Total number of coins is 300. 5 rupee coin x into 5 5x. 2 rupee coin, this is 2 rupee coin, 2 into 3x into 2 6x. 1 rupee coin 160 minus 4x. So we have already coins 5x plus 6x plus 160 minus 4x is equal to 300. 7x is equal to 360 minus plus 160 go to this side minus 160. 300 minus 160 140. X is equal to 140 by 2 7 ones are 7 twos are x is equal to 20. 5 rupee coin x is equal to 20. 2 rupee coin 3x 3 into 20 23 are 60. 1 rupee coin 160 minus 4x that is equal to 160 minus 4 into 20 24 is 80. 160 minus 80 80. This is 80 plus 20 100 100 plus 60 160 coins. This is 160 coin. What is the total amount? 100. 5 rupee into 20 100 rupees. 2 rupee into 20 60 2 rupees into 60 120. 1 rupee into 80 300. Like that we have to work out the problems. Next I will pass on to one more. The organizers of an essay competition, the organizers of an essay competition decide the winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100 and a participant who does not win get a prize of rupees 25. The total price of the money distributed is rupees 3000. Find the number of winners, if the number of, if the total number of participants is 63, the organizers of an essay competition ಒಂದು essay competition ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದವರಿಗೆ ಗೆದ್ದವರಿಗೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, ಗೆಲ್ಲದೇ ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ 25 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳು, ಒಟ್ಟು 3000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಗೆದ್ದವರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದವರು 63 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಬಿ, ಗೆದ್ದವರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಗೆದ್ದವರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ x ಆಗಿರಲಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದವರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ that is total number of participants, total number of participants, our participants is 63. Number of winners is equal to 63 minus x, total participant minus winner, 63 minus x. Prize given to the winners, prize given to winners, how many prize they have given? Prize of rupees 100, winner is x, 100x, 100x. Prize money given to non-winners, prize money given to non-winners, there are non-winners is how much? 25. 25 minus, what is the number of participants? 63 minus x. 25 minus 25 into 63 minus x. 25 3s are 75. Carry number 7. 25 6s are 150 plus 7, 157 minus 25x. This is prize money given to non-winners. Prize money given to non-winners. Prize money given to non-winners. Therefore, what is the total amount for the prize? 3000. How we will solve this problem? Winners 100x plus 1575 minus 25x is equal to how much? 3000. 100 minus 25, 75x minus 1575, that is equal to 3000 minus 1575. 75x is equal to 3000, 1575. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7 to 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. 1475 exactly. 1475. X is equal to 1475 by 75. Divide 1475. Divide 1475 by 75. 75 ones are 75. 7 minus 5 2. 14 minus 7 7 0. 7 minus 5 2. 14 minus 7 7 0 5. 75 9s are 9 5s are 45 4. 9 7s are 63 plus 4. Something going wrong. 1475 by 75. 7 minus 5 2. 14 minus 7 7. This one is 0 5. This is 1s are 75 1s are 75. 9 9 5s are 45 4. 9 is correct. 9 sevens are 9 5s are 45 4. 9 sevens are 63. 3000 minus 1475. 10 minus 5 5. 9 minus 7 2. 9 minus 5 4. 2 minus 1 1. 1475. 3000 minus 1475. Sorry, this is 1475. I have made mistakes here. 1475. Sorry. 10 minus 1004. Sorry. 1575. 3000 minus 1575. 10 minus 5 5. 9 minus 7 2. 9 minus 5 4. This is 2 minus 1 1. 1425. 1425 divided by 75. 75 ones are 75. 10. 12 minus 5 7. 12 minus 5 7. 3. 13 minus 7 6. 0 5. 9. 9 5s are 45 4. 9 sevens are 63 plus 4 67 exactly. So I have made a mistake there. This is 1425. 1425. Yes, 25. So what do you get here? 90. X is equal to 90. Now winners. Number of winners is 99. 90. The number of, if the total number of, find the number of winners. Number of winners is how many numbers? 90 winners. I want to explain it once again. The organizer of an essay competition decides the winner in the competition gets a prize of ₹100 and the participant who does not get the prize is 25. ಬಹುಮಾನ ಪಡೆಯದವರು 25. Total price of the money is distributed to ₹3000. Find number of winner if the total number of participants is 63. Let the number of winner be X. Total number of participants 63. 63 minus winner, that is 63 participant minus winner. 63 minus X, that is equal to prize given to the winner 100 into X 100X. Prize money given to non-winners is 25 into 63 minus X, that is 1575. This multiply this and 25x. 100x plus 1575 minus 25x. This one total amount 3000. 100 minus 25 75 plus 1575 go to the side minus 75 is equal to 1475. X is equal to 1400. Sorry, this one is 1425. 25 divided by 75, you get 90. X is equal to 90. The number of winners is 90. Thank you. One and a. Continue the next class.